Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure passive income with TaskRabbit. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Create a TaskRabbit account by visiting the website or downloading the app. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email, and phone number. Verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Complete your profile by adding a profile picture and a short bio that highlights your skills. Set your available working hours to let clients know when you are free for tasks. Browse through the various categories of tasks available on TaskRabbit, such as cleaning, delivery, or handyman services. Choose tasks that align with your skills and interests to enhance your earning potential. Set your hourly rate based on the market average and your level of expertise. Create a compelling listing for each service you offer, emphasizing your strengths and experience. Respond promptly to inquiries or requests for tasks from potential clients. Accept tasks that fit your schedule and expertise to build your reputation on the platform. Provide excellent service to each client to receive positive reviews and increase your visibility. Consider offering package deals or discounts for repeat customers to encourage ongoing business. Utilize TaskRabbit's promotional tools to advertise your services and attract more clients. Continuously update your profile and skills to reflect any new services you may want to offer. Monitor your earnings and adjust your rates as needed based on your performance and market demand. Stay informed about TaskRabbit's policies and updates to ensure compliance and maximize your income potential. Engage with other taskers in the community to share tips and strategies for success. Evaluate your workload regularly and scale your service offerings as your passive income grows. Stay consistent and committed to delivering high-quality service to build a reliable stream of passive income over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.